way that we wanted to end off or even start our Saturday. So yeah, as you can see, here's the BM on the back of the flatbed, and we are being assisted by Bassons. So yeah, if you guys do have any breakdowns, I will link the contact details in the description below. But thank you to our insurance, IUM. This is all covered. Okay, so we are back home, and we just open up the bonnet and we can take a look and see what's going on inside that engine bay. Okay, that looks like a big mess. And I think that I can get my hand squeezed in. Let's just take a look. Yep.
Emotional damage!
That is a major offending part. Let me just look at this belt. Completely loose, and that obviously explains why the power steering was the first thing to give in, and then next thing I got a whole bunch of warning lights.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree!
So it looks like I'm going to have to source a new vibration dampener or crank pulley, but hopefully that's not going to take me too much time. I'm hoping that it is available locally and that I don't have to waste any time importing a new one. So I will check in with places like Master Parts, Midas and so forth on Monday, and then we'll see what sort of pricing they can give me, and hopefully I can get my father-in-law to assist me with doing the replacement on that pulley. But for now, I think I'm just going to end the vlog, and we will check back when the car is being worked on and up and running.